Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the LG M7 Sound Suite. Check the link in the description for the best price. This wireless speaker promises to change how you experience spatial audio at home. Let us see if this modular approach lives up to the hype. We are evaluating the acoustic engineering and the effectiveness of the spatial audio features on the M7. This speaker uses a refined driver setup to push audio into the room effectively. The AI room calibration makes a noticeable difference in how sound fills your space. The spatial sound creates an impressive dome of audio that keeps you feeling centered in every scene. The hardware setup is well engineered to maintain clarity across dialogue and intense cinematic action sequences. The AI processing does a great job of balancing the output to match your specific room layout. The M7 delivers clear sound with smart room optimization that creates a reliable spatial environment. Connectivity defines the M7 experience, so we are checking how well it fits into your home setup. Integrating this speaker into an LG setup is very straightforward. The dependency on other LG devices is the main thing to consider. The wireless connection to the television is very stable, which removes the need for long cables across the floor. You really need an LG TV or soundbar to get the full value out of this specific speaker unit. It offers unique technology for the price, but building a complete system will quickly increase your total budget. The system is incredibly easy to set up if you own a compatible LG TV, though it is less flexible outside that brand. The LG M7 is a compelling piece of hardware for anyone already invested in the latest LG ecosystem. Its ability to create a spatial audio environment without the mess of wires is a genuine convenience. While it feels like an expensive investment for a full setup, the performance and integration quality make it a standout option for modern living rooms.